This is the second-generation Mitsubishi DELICA D2. Produced between 2015 and 2020, it was also sold as the Suzuki SOLIO, which is essentially the same car. In fact, the D2 is a Suzuki product, and the only distinguishing feature of the two cars is their respective brand emblems. Let's take a closer look at this relatively small car, which is ideal for city life due to its compact body, spacious interior, and practical sliding rear doors. Overview. Externally, it is a typical Japanese minivan, designed for urban areas but also suitable for short trips beyond them. Characteristics include a boxy silhouette, a large wheelbase, and a high roof. There is a lot to like about this car, from the extensive range of standard driver assistance and safety features, both active and passive, to the drivetrain. One of the most practical features is the sliding rear doors and generously sized, functional interior, which we will explore in detail shortly. The DELICA D2 has an elegant look. Here we present one of the variants. This time, we have chosen a less luxurious model, which differs somewhat visually, apart from its equipment. Significant chrome trim gives the car a substantial appearance. Halogen headlights are standard. The custom model has a revised bumper and fully LED-based headlights. All models are fitted with a high beam assistant function. The model shown here is the mild hybrid version. However, all models have the same basic equipment, featuring sophisticated safety systems. While the side profile is not particularly attractive, the overall aesthetic strikes the right balance between form and function. The cabin interior feels spacious thanks to the extensive, tall glazing, which also makes driving and maneuvering the car a pleasure by offering good visibility. The wheelbase measures 248 centimeters, and the wheels are either 14 or 15 inches in diameter depending on the trim level. The latest second-generation chassis and body structure has slightly extended the wheelbase by 3 centimeters and enhanced maneuverability, resulting in a turning radius of 4.8 meters irrespective of the vehicle's front wheel or four-wheel drive configuration. From the back, the car looks fairly good, and the high-mounted taillights, which are partially equipped with LED strip technology, give it a fresh look. The chrome trim, which also serves as a liftgate handle, together with the roof spoiler, adds a touch of sportiness and elegance. This minivan is the smallest model in the Mitsubishi range, except for the K-Class DELICA Mini. It is 3.71 meters long, 1.62 meters wide, and 1.74 meters tall. Ride quality and safety features. The DELICA D2 is certainly more comfortable to drive than its smaller K-Class rivals. Its compact size makes it an easy car to like, a perfect combination for everyday use, small on the outside and big on the inside. Japanese users praise the visibility. The narrow front pillars and extra side glass minimize blind spots to a large extent. Shifting the windscreen forward against the wide dashboard gives you the impression of cruising in a much larger car. Rear visibility is also good, with a rear view camera included as standard and an all-around monitor with a 360-degree field of view around the car included in the upper trim levels. The suspension is tuned to prioritize city driving. It's a fairly average car with no particular distinguishing features. Be aware that the tall silhouette tends to roll significantly when driven sportily, since the car has not been designed for aggressive driving. The soundproofing is only sufficient for urban conditions and speeds of less than 90 km per hour. Japanese users rate the drive comfort of this generation of the DELICA D2 and Suzuki SOLIO as slightly below average for its class. In addition, it is emphasized that the interior materials are not of the highest quality. Depending on the chosen engine version, the car is equipped with a stop-start system, mild hybrid or hybrid system, ensuring complete silence at traffic lights. In addition, hybrid-grade models achieve a limited range of up to around 2 km on purely electric drive. In terms of safety, in addition to the standard ABS and active stability control, there is the e-assist system, which is based on a stereo camera, among other things. This system is equivalent to the dual-camera brake support found in the SOLIO. The DELICA D2 and SOLIO are both equipped with advanced collision avoidance systems that are capable of detecting and identifying pedestrians on the road, and will automatically engage the brakes to ensure a safe halt if the need arises. They also offer a lane departure warning function, a sway warning function, and a preceding vehicle start. Interior and luggage capacity. Now let's move on to the greatest advantage of the DELICA D2, its interior. Getting in and out of the car is very comfortable. At the front, there are large doors with a wide opening and a well-designed door opening, not to mention the low floor and threshold. The seats are slightly raised for a better ergonomics, and the driver's seat is height adjustable. The seat design is tailored to urban conditions with no deep seat or side bolsters that restrict movement. All of these features make it particularly practical and comfortable for daily city life. Things are even better in the rear. Massive sliding doors, especially for the vehicle's dimensions, with power assistance in all models except the basic trim. The entry is wide, and the seat is even raised higher than the front row, which improves the visibility of rear seat passengers significantly. There is enormous legroom, adjustable backrest recline and headroom that even the tallest occupants cannot complain about. With 136 centimeters of space from floor to ceiling, a width of 142 centimeters and a length of 251 centimeters, this compact car's passenger compartment is impressive, especially considering its overall length of just 3.7 meters. Both front and rear passengers are provided with individual armrests, side compartments in the doors, and a number of practical storage spaces. In addition, rear seat passengers are provided with folding tables integrated into the seat backrests. At the front, the seating has been arranged in a two-seater configuration to allow passage to the rear of the cabin. The parking brake is operated by a pedal. Standard equipment includes automatic air conditioning, an infotainment unit with a navigation system and a reversing camera, or an optional 360-degree camera system offering a bird's-eye view of the car's surroundings. The dashboard is very functional, but the central positioning of the instrument cluster may take some getting used to. Regardless of body height, the driving position is comfortable, the seat is set high, and the steering wheel is adjustable in two positions for optimum comfort. Move on to the luggage compartment, and you will be pleasantly surprised. The loading aperture is large and the boot space in the basic configuration is more than enough for daily needs. There's more, the additional underfloor storage compartment offers 100 liters of volume in front-wheel drive and 26 liters in four-wheel drive. If you need to carry larger items, you can also slide the rear seats forward to reduce passenger legroom and increase boot space. If this is still insufficient, you can easily fold down the rear seats. Price at BEFORWARD. Similar Mitsubishi DELICA D or Suzuki SOLIO you can buy at BEFORWARD. The 2015-2020 model starts from around $2,000. Explore stock of over 900 DELICA D and Suzuki SOLIO vehicles at BEFORWARD.JP. The right one might be closer than you think. Check the link in the description below for current stock and pricing. Our inventory is updated daily. Engine options and efficiency. The DELICA D comes with a choice of 2 drivetrains, front-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, and 3 engine configurations. All drivetrains feature the same 4-cylinder K12C base petrol engine with a displacement of 1,242 cubic centimeters, offering 91 PS of power and 118 Newton-meters of torque. Presented here is option 2, a petrol engine with an integrated mild hybrid module that adds extra power and torque during acceleration. Although the electric motor's output is only 3 PS, it delivers an impressive 50 Newton-meters. This results in much better responsiveness and only a slight reduction in fuel consumption compared to the base unit. Both the mild hybrid and the regular petrol versions are available with either front-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. These engine versions are both combined with a CVT drive. The third and remaining engine version is a hybrid, featuring Suzuki's unique parallel hybrid system. The electric motor has 13 PS and 30 Newton-meters of boost power. Well, with the 6 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, you can use electric propulsion at speeds of up to 60 km per hour and distances of up to 2 km. However, this hybrid version is only available with front-wheel drive and a 5-speed fully automated manual gearbox. The fuel tank holds 32 liters in two-wheel drive and 30 liters in four-wheel drive. Average fuel consumption in urban environments is around 17 km per liter, 5.8 liter per 100 kilometers. Out of town, careful handling of the accelerator makes it possible to achieve 20 to 25 kilometers per liter, 4 to 5 liter per 100 kilometers. In an urban environment, the full hybrid version will consume around 30% less. If you're looking for quality car at great price, visit BEFORWARD.JP. We offer a vast selection of vehicles to suit every taste and budget. You can also send your inquiries to top@BEFORWARD.JP.